I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access and picking the drive and a numeric threshold, for example 10% free. Next, write a concise PowerShell script that checks free bytes versus total bytes and returns a non-zero exit when below the threshold. Once done, save it to a secure folder and test it manually. This immediate check proves the logic works before you automate it. Make sure the script outputs a clear message and an exit code for the automation step to read. Now automate the script with Task Scheduler. Create a task that runs the PowerShell file on a schedule. Choose hourly repetition if you need frequent checks. Configure it to run with highest privileges and supply the right user account so it can access the drive. Add action to run PowerShell with file and the script path. Once configured, set failure handling and a retry interval. After you save, run the task manually to confirm it executes and returns the expected exit behavior so the alert logic will be reliable. Finish by wiring an alert action. Have Task Scheduler call a second PowerShell step to send an email, display a toast notification, or kick off cleanup. Once set, simulate low disk or temporarily raise the threshold to force the alert and verify the full chain. If something goes wrong, inspect execution policy, task user permissions, and the script's log output. Make sure the scheduled task uses the same account that can run PowerShell and access the target drive. That one troubleshooting check fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.